This 5-minute solution will show you how to open a incognito tab on iPhone. You can browse any website privately. So right now I will show you how you can browse privately or how you can open incognito mode in Safari and Google Chrome browser. First of all, let's see the process for Google Chrome browser. Once you are in your Google Chrome browser, tap on this three dot and here you will find new incognito tab option. So tap on it and then you will jump into your incognito tab or window. From here you can search privately. And now let's see how you can open incognito in Safari browser. So I'm gonna opening my Safari browser. Once you are in the Safari browser, tap on this icon, tap on start page and here select private, tap on done and as you can see the private browsing mode is enabled. Now you can easily privately search here. And to disable the incognito or private mode, again tap on this icon, tap on private and now select start page. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.